Probably another link between the composer's character and Rostropovich's nature, who can be a very aggressive cellist, and he can, as we all now are asked to do when we play that piece, nearly harm the cello and don't act very gentle and careful with our old instrument. So this nature of Rostropovich, and certainly the nature of Shostakovich, who has this very, very bitter aggressivity and this very, very powerful fighting attitude against whatever. This is the first movement altogether. The first movement doesn't have any so-called melancholical or sentimental or vocal or song-like theme.
No, it's all very rhythmic.
It has all this